Hey, I'm Paul with LA Photo Party here with another photo booth upload tutorial, aka PBU, aka your favorite photo booth software. Today, we are going to be merging two photo booth trends, AI filters and lenticular prints. Ooh. As AI models evolve, our ability to control prompts has yielded some stunning results. And what better way to show off that transformation than with a lenticular print? Lenticular imagery takes two photos and interlaces them together that when viewed with a lenticular lens gives the illusion of transformation or motion. PBU has always been able to create lenticulars with GIFs and morphs, and now we offer the ability to do that with AI photos as well. What better way to give your clients a stunning keepsake than with a lenticular print? So let's dive right in. To enable AI in PBU, we'll need to start at login.photopartyupload.com and create a new event. Enter your event details, then select the sharing option, select printing and enable print, and then go to AI and enable that feature. Once you're all done, you can click Submit and accept the terms and conditions. If you don't already have AI on your license, you can go to Software Licenses and select Buy AI Add-on. Once that's done, you want to make sure Photo Party Upload is open and start Photo Booth Upload. Click S for Settings, go to PPU Helper, refresh your events, and under Selected Event, choose the event you just created. And select your printer. Today we'll be using the DMP RX1. Go to Camera, under DSLR Orientation, select Rotate Left, and then under Keep Aspect Ratio, select 2:3 for Portrait. Then go to AI and select Create Generative AI. Under your AI model, select Gemini Nano Banana or Gemini Pro. It depends on which one you prefer. Today we'll be using Gemini Pro. Under Aspect Ratio, lock the aspect ratio at 2:3, and choose your resolution, 1K, 2K, or 4K. Today we'll use 2K. Today we're going to be making an X-ray prompt. Now we'll add a prompt into the positive prompts section. If you have difficulty writing your own filters, ChatGPT can easily write one for you that works well for our AI models. Just write, I'm creating an AI prompt for Gemini Pro, and I want to transform the person in my photo into whatever style you want. The key component for today's AI filter is that we want this filter to have a pose lock to keep the guest in the image in the exact pixel for pixel orientation that they are in the original photo. This will ensure that both images we create will be perfectly aligned when you print them. Once you've gotten your prompt from ChatGPT, you can copy and paste that prompt right into the positive prompts. To make sure that nothing changes from image to image, we can copy and paste a pose lock that we've already pre-written. You can access our pose lock in the comments below. Once you've finished with your prompt, go to Configure Lenticular, select Save AI Frames as Lenticular. For the lenticular lenses we're using today, we'll need a horizontal orientation and set the LPI to 60. Set the lens size to 4:6, and under DPI, enter 600. Then click OK. You can also add an overlay image to your photo. Click Apply Overlay Image, go to Browse, and upload your overlay image. Select Fit, and then click OK. And for the selection menu, you can also add a thumbnail. So we'll click Browse under Thumbnail, choose our thumbnail, and then click OK. Go to AI mode and select User Select, and then select X-ray. These AI models, while impressive, are not always perfect. It can be useful to generate multiple images per photo. If you go to AI Settings, under Number of AI Images per photo, you can select up to 4 outputs per photo. Today we'll select 2. You can also save the original photo taken by PBU, and also allow sharing while the AI photo is being generated. PBU also gives you the option to share both when someone shares the AI photo. AI images are generated in the cloud, and it takes time to process them. After the photo is taken, you won't see the immediate result of your AI image. Let's take this one for a test drive. Once the photo is taken, you can accept it. And as you can see, we're only seeing the original photo taken. When you head over to the kiosk, you'll see the original photo and a processing photo now. A user can select and share the processing photo while waiting for the AI image to generate. This will share the final AI image generated. And if you've selected it, it will also share the original photo. As you can see, 2 images were generated. We can select which one we like more, and then print it. Once our photo is printed, we can take it to a lenticular lens and position it correctly to see our AI lenticular transformation. Let's try another option though. Click S for settings in PBU. Go to the AI tab, click Create Generative AI. For this one, we're going to create an NFL sports themed one, allowing guests to choose their favorite NFL team. We'll name our prompt. Choose our AI model, Gemini Pro. Select our aspect ratio again. The resolution, we'll add an overlay. And then we'll add a variable. Click Add Variable, give it a name. Then click the text input and double click on the variable text under User Options. And we'll call this NFL Team Name. When this is selected, a keyboard will appear for the guest to type in their favorite NFL team. Now we'll write our positive prompt. This prompt will be exactly like our other one using ChatGPT, only this time our prompt is going to include a bracketed section to include our text variable. This will ensure that the NFL team that the guest types in will appear in the final AI generation. Once we've finished our prompt, we can add a thumbnail again, and then click OK. Select the NFL Team AI prompt. Unselect X-ray, and now we'll give this one a test. Click OK. We'll click AI. Type in our option here, then click OK. There's our original photo. We'll click Accept, and then we'll head over to the kiosk. You can also email and print your AI photo from PBU as well. Once it's rendered, it'll send the finished file. There's our original photo, and there's our processed photo. Again, we can select our photo while it's processing and share it. As you can see, we've got 2 options to choose from. Select which one we like more, and select Print. Choose the amount we want to print, and there we have it. There's our lenticular photo, and see the transformation right before our eyes. Bada bing, bada boom! Another cool thing you can do with Photo Booth Upload. If you have any more questions or need some help, visit our support site at support.laphotoparty.com. Cheers to a great event.